This cinematic documentary wasn't made by a massive studio. It was generated by a single AI prompt, and channels using this style are printing thousands of dollars a month. Look at this. Millions of views, massive ad revenue. I cloned the exact visual style of top documentary channels like Fern using one secret ChatGPT prompt. And today, I am giving you the entire automated workflow for free. If you are still spending weeks learning After Effects or manually searching for stock footage, you are wasting your life. The old way of making YouTube documentaries is dead. You need an autonomous system that writes, directs, and animates for you in minutes, or you will be left behind. Step 1. The master prompt. Open ChatGPT. We are going to paste in my custom cinematic cloning prompt. This forces the AI to act as a master director. You pick the topic, like a historical mystery, and hit enter. In seconds, it spits out the exact storyline, the voiceover script, and hyper-detailed image generation prompts for every single scene. Everything is mapped out for you. Step 2. Visuals and motion. Copy the first image prompt and go to Google Flow. Select the Nano Banana 2 model, paste the prompt, and hit generate. You get a breathtaking, photorealistic frame. But we need motion. Switch the tab to video mode and select the VO3 fast model. Drop your generated image into the timeline, paste the animation prompt from ChatGPT, and watch the AI breathe cinematic life into the scene. Repeat this for all your shots. Step 3. Assembly. Take the full voiceover script from ChatGPT and drop it into ElevenLabs to get that deep, serious narrator voice. Finally, pull everything into CapCut. Line up your VO animations chronologically, drop the voiceover underneath, and add a dark cinematic background track. Hit export. Turn your volume all the way up. Look at the absolute masterpiece we just created from scratch, using zero editing skills and just one single prompt. If you want the exact copy-paste cloning prompt I use today, I put it inside my free private community. Link is in the description. Stop doing manual work and start building your automated digital empire. It's time to scale to your first $1,000 a day. I'll see you inside.